All right, so check it out. We got a solid green, which means that this thing is ready to go into the pool. And I think all I've got to do really is press this button here and then just drop it in the pool. Of course, I got to pull this out and make sure that I put this back on there, so you don't want any water getting in there. And then make sure that these are tight too. You don't want water getting in there. And then we can let it do its thing in the pool and see how she performs. And my pool's pretty dirty, so I think it's gonna be fun. So let's do it. Let's go ahead. We'll pull this out. We'll close that up, so that's ready to go. This right here is our little thingamabob. So let's grab it. All right, looking good. Take her outside. All right, so here we are. Here's the pool. Let me just show you how dirty it is so you guys can see. You know what I mean? So we're gonna see how this robot performs in this pool. And here it is, look. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set her there. I'm gonna press the on button. Green light comes on, and I'm just gonna put her in. Just like that. And she should just sink. There she goes. And this is our little thing. See? And now it should just go around and clean the whole pool up. I hope. We'll find out. It's moving. There she goes. She's starting. Moves pretty quick, I gotta say. It's going right for the big patch here. See how she does. Okay. Something's happening. It seems to be working. It moves a lot faster than my other robots. So, yeah. Look at her. She's cranking. That thing moves fast. All right, I'm not going to make you watch this thing do its, massive cleaning job. We're going to let it do its thing, and then we're going to come back in about a half hour or so, and we'll take a look at it and see how she did. But you can see how this floats, and we can just grab it easily. There she goes. And it is flying across that pool. It's dragging its thing behind it. Look at that. Let me come over here. I think it's going to go through some of this thicker stuff here. Let's see. All right, here she comes. Back it up a little bit. All right, so you can see how much stuff is on the bottom of the pool. We're gonna come back in about a half hour and we'll take a look and see how she did. How's that sound? Well, it's been about an hour, maybe longer, and it's still going. And you can see that it did a pretty good job so far. I mean, it's definitely picking up stuff off the bottom. I mean, there's like one or two pieces, but you never know. They just keep falling into there from the tree there. But yeah, It's doing pretty good, I gotta say. I'm gonna let it keep going because there are some more, you know, there's a couple more leaves on the bottom there that's got to get. All right, the robot has been in there for about 3 hours, and it has done a pretty dang good job. I mean, there's a couple leaves in there, not many, but there it is right down there, and it's still going. I'm starting to see a red light on it, so I think it's getting close to being done. But yeah, I mean, I gotta say, it looks pretty dang good, doesn't it? Look at my pool. Well done, Mr. Robot. Well done. Still going strong. It's been like 3 hours on that charge, and it did a great job. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like that. Peace out.